matagal mo nang gustong magkaroon ng party. So we are celebrating your 5th birthday here in Jollibee, Philippines.
Cause this world keeps spinning faster.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Together with her proud mommy and daddy, bigyan natin siya ng malakas na palakpakan to provide the from Sigawan!
It's our time. Look out.
Masaya kami para sa'yo kasi nga nandito tayo ngayon sa Pilipinas. We're celebrating your birthday, your 5th birthday.
Feel your heartbeat next to mine. Won't you look at how we come alive? Take my hand and we can watch.
I was reminded that he has a great life, a good education, and help and hope to God that he guides him throughout his life.
Gotta chase this light. Let all our shooting stars align. It's our time. It's our time. Look how we shine. Look how we shine. 'Cause it's our time. Yeah, it's our time. Yeah, it's our time.
Thank you, Maya, for being a nice kid and lagi kang mag-pray and laging seek the kingdom first.
Lumaki kang may takot kay God at wish you all the best na si God laging may patnubay para sa'yo at i-guide ka niya sa tamang landas. Happy birthday, Maya!